Can I fix runny whipped frosting without starting over?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common baking dilemma: fixing runny whipped frosting without having to start over. Whipped frosting is a delightful addition to cakes and cupcakes, but sometimes it can turn out a bit too runny or soft, causing frustration. But worry not. In this video, we'll explore some simple techniques to help you salvage that frosting and achieve the perfect consistency. So let's dive right in.
Assessing the situation.
The first step in fixing runny whipped frosting is to assess the current state of your frosting. Is it too soft, too runny, or lacking stability? Understanding the specific issue will help you choose the right solution. If your frosting is too soft or runny, it might not hold its shape or spread properly. On the other hand, if it lacks stability, it might not be able to maintain a fluffy and airy texture. By identifying the problem, you can determine the best approach to fix it.
Adjusting the consistency.
Method 1. Chilling the frosting. If your whipped frosting is too runny, one simple solution is to chill it in the refrigerator. Transfer the frosting to a bowl or piping bag and let it sit in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. The cold temperature will help the fats in the frosting solidify, resulting in a firmer consistency. Remember, though, that chilling the frosting may cause it to stiffen further. So be sure to monitor it closely and take it out of the fridge when it reaches the desired consistency. Method 2. Adding more powdered sugar. If your whipped frosting lacks stability, you can add more powdered sugar to help thicken it. Start by gradually incorporating small amounts of powdered sugar into the frosting and continue beating until it reaches the desired thickness. Be cautious not to add too much sugar, as it can make the frosting overly sweet and affect the taste.
Adjusting the texture.
Method 1. Adding more whipped cream. If your whipped frosting is too stiff, you can incorporate additional whipped cream to soften it and improve the texture. Begin by gently folding small amounts of whipped cream into the frosting until it becomes more pliable. Avoid overmixing to maintain a light and fluffy consistency. Method 2. Incorporating melted and cool chocolate. For those working with chocolate whipped frosting that has gone runny, a great fix is to incorporate melted and cool chocolate. The chocolate will help thicken the frosting and add a rich, luscious flavor. Slowly drizzle the melted chocolate into the frosting while continuously beating until the desired consistency is achieved. And there you have it. Fixing runny whipped frosting without starting over is indeed possible. By assessing the situation and applying the appropriate techniques, you can salvage your frosting and make it perfect for your baking creations. Remember, chilling the frosting or adding more powdered sugar can adjust the consistency, while adding whipped cream or melted chocolate can improve the texture. With these simple fixes, you'll be able to rescue your frosting and create beautifully decorated treats. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to experiment and have fun in the kitchen. If you have any questions or other baking-related topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!